Welcome to day 1 of my course on affirmations. See, what is affirmation? Let us define it. Whatever we think and say inside our mind, as well as when we are speaking with others, all that is affirmations. Actually, affirmations means positive sentences said in present tense and which are personal. But if you watch a little bit carefully, you will see that whatever you are saying to yourself is always a personal statement. Or when you are discussing something with another person, it is again a personal statement. So, when we are practicing affirmations, you have to be very careful regarding what you think and say throughout the day, because it's not that just for half an hour you are practicing affirmations and in remaining 14-15 hours of your awake period, if you are talking or thinking negative things, then affirmations are not going to work. So affirmations are actually a method of transforming all your self talk as well as how you speak with other people. That's why it is a life changing science. How affirmations work? They go deep in your subconscious mind, and how you are going to do that. There are various ways of doing it. If you are saying affirmations in relaxed mood, then very easily they will go into the subconscious. If you say affirmations in front of mirror by looking deep into your eyes, then definitely they'll go very deep in your subconscious mind, because as a child, when you were told by someone, when you were given a command by someone, a senior one, it was by looking deep into your eyes. And to transform that belief or that negative thinking, you are going to take advantage of this by looking into the mirror, by looking deep inside your eyes. You are going to say the positive statements. Your subconscious mind is most active when you are going to bed, just before the sleep and immediately after waking up. So, you are going to practice affirmations when you are going to sleep and just after getting up from the bed. Very simple way of doing this is you record your own affirmations in your own voice in your phone and listen to them while sleeping. There are various ready-made affirmations available on YouTube. You also can listen to them, but they are more effective when you record them in your own voice. So these are some simple tips regarding how to practice affirmations. So today I am giving you a homework of making some few affirmations, very simple positive statements which are in present tense. For example, I am happy, I am rich, I am beautiful, I am an amazing person. So these simple type of affirmations you can make. Yesterday I had given you a homework of making a list of what you want in each and every area of your life. So, what you can do today, you can start making affirmations regarding those areas. And if you want, you can take help of my book A to Z about affirmations. Subconscious mind programming is a very good topic, a very serious topic, but affirmations is a very simple and very joyful experience of programming your subconscious mind. Because when we are programming our subconscious mind with positive feelings of saying affirmations, being happy, then it becomes very joyous and a simple experience. That's why this is my first book and this is my first course regarding programming of subconscious mind, as I find it very simple and I find it very encouraging and joyful experience. So friends, please do today's homework. Write down affirmations regarding each and every area of your life and enjoy the process of transforming your own subconscious mind consciously. Nobody else is doing it for you. Like in when we are doing hypnosis, someone else is giving you command to transform your mind, but here you yourself are giving you commands to make positive changes in your life. And I am really happy that you have taken responsibility to change your programming, to make it more positive, to make it more joyful. Thank you. I see you tomorrow. Thank you.